So sometimes I'll hear an owner talk about how like they have this amazing employee that's going out on job sites and they're like, well, they go on jobs, they're amazing. I want to bring them into the office as a manager or into sales, but I'm so scared to lose them in the field. How do I deal with this? Well, you've got to think about like, what is that employee doing that is creating raving fans everywhere they go, and go document that. Create it as the company process. If that person's so darn good, well, why don't we just have everyone become that process, become that, that execution that person does. And you may say, well, I can't get the other guys to do it. And it's like, well, that's a whole nother thing, right? You got to start with what's the documented processes in order to do the service. And take your best team, take your best crew, take your best guy, go research and look at every little thing they do and figure out how to create a system around it. And then it's the process of getting that integrated within a group.